Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to have any Steam game for free. How to have all the Steam games for free. So, first of all we will have to have installed the Steam program. If we already have it installed, we follow the next step. The next step is to go to Google and search for the following. Steam. We search for the following and enter the first page. We give it where it says, Install Now. And we click where it says, Windows.exe. And we download the file. We wait for it to download. We run it. We click on the install button. Now next. We wait. And now, we must install it where the Steam program is installed. And we click on install. I do not install it because I already have it. So, the next step. We must go to the description of the video. And in the description of the video, I will leave this link here. Go to Google and paste it. Enter the GitHub repository. And install the latest version. The version and the file that is called xsteamplugin.zip. The file turned zip. We click. We download. And now what we do is go to Steam. We go to the top, to the left. We click, and where it says, Millennium. We click. Now we go to plugins. And here they will not appear anything. What they do is click on Browse Local Files, in search for files. They click, and they will appear an empty folder. And what they have to do is, now, let's download. We open the rare file. The file zip. And what we do is go to the Steam plugin folder. And we create a new folder called Steam plugin. We open and we extract all the files from the file.zip in the folder. Now, we do the last step. The last step after doing this. We must close. What is Steam? We go here. To this part of here. To this arrow, we click. Right click on Steam. And exit Steam. Then close. And now the last step is. We go to PowerShell. We open PowerShell. And we go to the description of the video. And I'll leave this code, so you just have to copy it. They paste it in the PowerShell, and they give enter. It will begin to install, so they must wait until say that it is already installed. They must wait. It does not take long, maximum 5 minutes. And after doing that, restart Steam. Open Steam, and now they go to the store. When we are already in the store, we can choose any game we want. Example this. We go to the bottom, and next to where it says Add to Cart, they will appear a yellow button. They click there. And when they click, wait for this to appear. Or for them to appear. This logo here. And that means they already have it. their library. So we go to our library, and we look for the game. Here it is. We click on install. And we click on install. And as you can see, the game, it is already downloading. It is downloading from Steam. Al normal. And now stop the game so that you play the games you want. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful. And bye.